Secure the stables! Like every stall!
Hiccup, don't!
I have to.
This way! Quickly!
What you're searching for isn't out there, Hiccup. It's in here. Maybe you just don't see it yet. Ugh.
Maybe.
Ugh. Okay. That's for kidnapping me. That's for everything else. I'll be fine. I've got her.
Impressed. I mean, look at you. Embracing change. I am proud of you.
Well, he's my best bud. I want him to be happy. Besides, it's just until he brings her back.
What are you gonna do about it?
Probably something stupid.
That's the Hiccup I know. That's for scaring me.
What? Was it always gonna be this way? Because I could get used to it.
Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you. No, Hiccup. No one was a better Viking than you today. You know what? I've had enough thinking to last me an entire week. I'm going to get some sleep.
Well, us. Deal?
Deal.
As for the lovebirds, no, take a chance on anyone doing anything different, including us.
Did you seriously think I'd leave here with just a handshake?
That's hilarious. Come here, you. Ooh.
I know you do. We don't have to be like them. I mean, we have a different kind of...
Chief Dash!
Yeah? Yeah. I guess it does.